Could you explain which is the night of decree or the night of power?
As far as the exact date or day of the night of power, according to Sahih Bukhari, the commentary of Sahih Bukhari, Fathul Bari, it says that there are more than 40 different versions which the scholars have given regarding the day or the date of the night of power. Some say it's the first night of the month of Ramadan, some say it's the 7th night, some say it's the 19th night. There are different versions, but the most authentic, according to the Sahih Hadith, is that it is one of the odd nights in the last 10 nights of the month of Ramadan. And it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of superiority of the night of Qadr, hadith number 2017, Allah's Messenger Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that seek for the night of Laylatul Qadr in the odd nights amongst the last 10 days of Ramadan. So this is the most authentic. And further it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 1, in the book of faith, hadith number 49, Allah's Messenger Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that he once went out to tell the Muslims the exact date of the night of Qadr. Then he saw that two Muslim men, they were fighting amongst themselves. They were quarreling. And he said that so and so amongst the Muslim men, they were quarreling. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala took away the knowledge. That means he forgot it. And the Prophet said, maybe it's better for the Muslims. So seek for the Laylatul Qadr on the 7th or the 9th or the 5th night amongst the last 10 nights of Ramadan. So here there's the option given by Allah's Messenger for the Laylatul Qadr. And further it's mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 2, in the book of fasting, hadith number 2364, Ubay bin Ka'b, may Allah be pleased with him, he said, by Allah, he heard Shuba saying that most probably the night of Qadr is on the 27th night, because the Prophet, peace be upon him, he asked us to stand up in prayer in this night. So according to this hadith, most probably it is the 27th night of Ramadan. Further it's mentioned in a Sahih hadith in Tirmidhi that the beloved Prophet Muhammad said that seek for the night of Qadr on the 21st night, 23rd night, 25th night, on the 27th night, and the last night in the month of Ramadan. It's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of I'tiqaf, hadith number 2020, that the beloved Prophet, he used to do I'tiqaf in the last 10 days of Ramadan. And he used to seek for the Laylatul Qadr in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. It's further mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 2, in the book of fasting, hadith number 2621, that Prophet Muhammad said that seek for the night of Qadr, Laylatul Qadr, in the last 10 nights. But if you're weak, and if you cannot do in the early parts of the month of Ramadan, then seek it in the last 7 nights of Ramadan. It's further mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of superiority of Laylatul Qadr, hadith number 2015, Prophet Muhammad said that the night of Qadr is during the last 7 nights of the month of Ramadan. So from various records we come to know that Laylatul Qadr is most probably in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. That's the reason most of the scholars, including Sheikh Uthaymeen, Sheikh bin Baz, most of these scholars, they say that no one knows when is the exact date of Laylatul Qadr, when is the exact day of the night of decree. But it is in the month of Ramadan, and most probably in the last 10 nights of the month of Ramadan, and most probably in the odd nights of the last 10 nights of the month of Ramadan, most probably on the 27th night. But no one can pinpoint the exact date. But surely, inshallah, it's in the last 10 nights of Ramadan, most probably in the odd nights in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. This is what the most of the scholars say.